Meanwhile, we also tell our viewers how the dog problem in India has been raging when it comes to such sort of dog attacks, and especially the states that has been worst hit when it comes to the number of cases that have been reported in 2025 itself. Haryana, where 7,800 cases that have been reported. In Delhi, 3,200 cases. In Rajasthan, 1,500 cases that have been reported. In Uttar Pradesh, it is 20.5k. In Bihar, 34.4k. In Assam, 20.9k. In West Bengal, it is about 10.3k. In Maharashtra, 56.5k. That is the highest. In fact, Maharashtra and Gujarat are the worst hit states when it comes to the kind of dog attacks. Gujarat at 53.9k, Karnataka at 39.4k, Kerala at 11.6k, and Tamil Nadu again, one of the worst hit states, that stands at 48.9k. And remember, this is the data that has been reported from January 2025 itself. So within 6 months, these are the kind of dog attacks that have been reported across India. In fact, everything may not be well when it comes to animal welfare centers in Delhi. India Today found that there are serious discrepancies in a Delhi civic body run animal birth control center. It is leased out to a Gujarat NGO which faced suspension orders. The NGO was behind illegal, cruel handling of animals, and despite all irregularities, the NGO managed to obtain the tender in Delhi. Watch this ground report.
That a center exists, 2 doctors are supposed to be here, but they are not present over here. The NGO is tendered, the MCD center is tendered to an NGO in Gujarat. These are the things that we need to highlight. The operational challenges are very different from what it is written on paper. Ideally, an ABC center should be running in the proper manner. The doctors should be present, and clearly, it shouldn't be shut down like the one that we see here right now. I'll try my best to give you a glimpse from down of this center that is in Tughlaqabad. These are the government-run ABC programs that are done in the national capital. We also got to know that from 22, the centers have actually come down to 18 right now. So clearly, if the negligence on the part of the ABC centers of doctors not being available to manage the ABC centers is a reality, then it speaks about the fact that why the government of the national capital hasn't really managed it well to actually take the animal birth control program in the right manner. With video journalist Ashwini Helen, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
While this is the condition of dog shelters on the ground in Delhi, it is not that such a model has not been carried outside across the globe. In fact, several countries that have used this model and implemented it very, very successfully when it comes to using sterilization. Bhutan, for example, where a nationwide animal birth control exercise was carried out, and they sterilized those dogs, they vaccinated those dogs, and microchipped those stray dogs as well. Now, Bhutan is not the only country, as even in Netherlands, it was a clear exercise: catch the stray dogs, neuter them, vaccinate them, and return them back as per the laws, following everything to the T. And stray dogs were set free via strong legal framework. So it's not like those stray dogs were at the receiving end purely in the way that this entire exercise was carried out. Even in Thailand, such a model was followed, where similarly, catch the dogs, neuter them, vaccinate them, return them. And remember, over 1 million dogs that were sterilized and vaccinated via this exercise. Now, let's also shift focus in Morocco, where they sterilized the dogs. So they trapped them, neutered them, vaccinated them, and returned them. A very, very humane exercise that was carried out citywide, and that it continues in Morocco. Now, moving on to Nepal. Now, while it is being asked how will India possibly do it, but even Nepal, that has executed such an exercise, animal birth control, and it's been a long-standing program where 31,000 sterilizations of stray dogs was carried out.